Okay, today we'll be dealing into this. This old outlet box I found. There was an outlet in it. So, put my gloves in. On, I mean. And put my gloves in what? Well, I'm putting my hands in the glove. These gloves are really soft. They're like, and they're like heat-proof gloves. Okay, so, don't want to drill a hole in the table. So let's go ahead and start this. Ow! Something hit me. A piece of it hit. Well, stupid thing, stop doing that. Well, I've kind of cut it in half a little bit. Ow, something hit my arm really hard there. Did it stick in my arm? No. Okay. A piece of it is stuck in my arm. So I have destroyed it. So that's what's left the outlet. That was probably one of the most destructive ones. And now my battery's going dead. So, this bicycle scared me. So I think that's about a date for this episode here. And I think about had enough because the battery's going to go dead. Here's what's left the outlet. Take a good old close inspection. Focus! There we go. That's what's inside of an outlet. Let's just do the grand finale, of course. There you go.